To begin, find a nice, quiet place where you can remain undisturbed for the length of this exercise. This exercise is called nourishment from the past. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, let your whole body begin to relax. Take another deep breath, and now as you exhale, let your eyes close and allow the relaxation to deepen. Continue to breathe slowly and deeply, counting your breaths on the exhale. Now touch your thumb to your index finger. As the fingers touch, go back to a time when your body felt healthy fatigue. Maybe it was after playing a strenuous sport, or digging in the garden, or hiking a steep trail. Feel how heavy and relaxed your muscles are. Feel the warmth and well-being throughout your entire body. Pause for a moment or two in the scene, enjoying the feeling. Now touch your thumb to your middle finger. As the fingers touch, go back to a time when you had a loving experience. It may be a warm embrace,